Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Bloxburg, and yes, before you ask, I did get some Robux, and yeah. And so Hannah is in my server. Oh, this is my house, by the way. I'm not completely done with it, but once I finish it, I will show you guys. Hannah's actually playing the game right now, but she just got back from the shower. Hannah, say hi to my YouTube video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys, like, my routine. So, this is my nightly routine right now. So, so then I just go back to sleep. I go to sleep once I'm done with my house editing. So, I'm going to go to sleep. Hang on, let me turn this volume on. So, we are going to sleep. And then, when I wake up, I go into my bathroom. I go ahead and take a shower. Whatever. Wait a few seconds. And then almost. And by the way, you gotta pay your house bills so I can edit your house. So she has to go pay her house bills. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna brush my teeth. And then I'm going to comment down below if you guys like how my character looks.
And then I'll drive us to dinner, okay?
Okay. No, it's morning. And then guys, then I'm gonna wash my hands. And then yep. And then
You got those faces, guys.
Yeah, she got Robux too. And then so I'm gonna sit over here and work on my computer. Right.
Okay, wait, you have a computer?
Mhm.
Good, because I need it.
It's in my office.
I'm really bored.
It's in my office.
Okay, good, because I'm really bored right now.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
And don't ruin my room, please. I'm gonna go. Did you pay your house bills?
Yeah, so just go out of my room and then I'll come use the moped and then I'll come pick you up. Then I'll come pick you up to go to breakfast and then we'll go to work.
Okay, I'm gonna go to your house. Can you turn your volume off, please? Thank you. And so I'm going to her house right now. And because I'm currently designing her house. And thank you to Bella, aka HPCO, something like that, for building my house. Huh?
Hypico_hypico.
Yeah, what she said. And then so thank you for her for building my house. And so right. I will. Because I'm charging my phone.
Same.
Okay, I'm playing on my computer, but I'm calling Hannah on my phone because my mic currently doesn't work. Where am I? Oh, this is Hannah's house. Yes, her house is bigger than mine because she has less rooms. And so we will be playing the neighborhood of neighborhood of something. Let me turn on some lights here.
I'm turning off your lights because I don't want to go to any parties right now, guys. I'm turning off your lights because then your bills are going to be even more.
Yeah, turn off my lights, please.
Oh, this light is where's the light switch? The ones in your kitchen.
I just gotta add some light switches, and then I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna start building her house. OMG.
Okay, your house bills are gonna be really high because you can't find the switch. So.
Oh, you gotta jump.
Yeah.
First of all, we're gonna make her a kitchen. So we're gonna make her kitchen OM to the D.
Oh my god. Sorry, this guy was in the road. Okay, I'm on my way to my house. I'm on my way.
Okay, I'm literally cancel. How do I break? Okay, hang on. I am going to exit this and then enter build mode. And then I'm gonna line up her kitchen, so we're gonna click decorate. Let us do some chairs. Wait, let's get a table.
Hey, also add a doorbell because I want to go ding dong ditch some people and then people can ding dong ditch me.
Let's go ahead and put a carpet right here so when people walk in, they feel welcome to the home. And then we're going to go to...
I entered build mode with you. Now what do I do?
Don't do build mode for me. For you.
Yeah, I'm doing it for me.
No, you don't, because I'm surprising you.
Don't make my house bad. I swear if you make my house bad,
I'm not.
Kill you.
And then I'm gonna add...
No, I'm gonna do something that you're really gonna hate me for.
Don't.
Wait, am I co-owner at your house?
No. Your roommate.
Make me.
Okay, one sec. I just need to add this. Ooh. This is cute. I like this one. And so we are going to put it over here in the dining table. And then let's... Okay, let's exit out build mode. You are not allowed to go inside your house. And let me give you change permission. Do not delete anything, please.
I promise I won't.
Co-owner. Your budget is $0 because I have no money.
Here, come here, come back. I'm gonna give you my... why is this guy in my house?
It's
Wait,
okay.
where's the build mode? Hurry.
Huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Relax, girl. So, oh, no. We're going to delete this item. Cancel. No, we're going to move this item. Come on, guys. We're gonna spin around here. OM to the G. We're gonna spin around, and this is going to be the dining area. And then I'm going to switch this carpet so then people feel more welcome when they walk in. Okay.
I'll be right back. Tell me when you're done with my house so I can get us to breakfast.
Okay. I'm not done yet. I'm not even close.
Hurry up.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna... I'll try to build your house tomorrow, too.
Or
Okay.
tonight, because remember we're playing all-nighter.
Even though we have school tomorrow. But I'm gonna add some lights here. Carpet, not carpet, OMG. Lighting. And then we're gonna do some... Let's do a heart. No, that just looks really bad. Let us do these lights up here. O to the G. Her house is not really done because we're still trying to build it, and so that's why. And then this is going to be like the couch area. So, and then we're going to put another light in the four corners. Now it looks like day here. And then, so then we're going to add some furniture to counters. I found counters, guys. I'll add the counters later when I have more money, but right now I'm going to do the couches. Chairs. Not chairs. Vehicles. Instruments. Curtains, decorations, electronics. Comfort. Okay, here we go. And then we're going to add... Okay, so we're going to add this green one here. We're going to make 2 of these. And then we're going to churn here. We might do one here. And then, over here. And then we're going to be done. And then that's all we have enough time for. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. I will do a part 2 of this video of finishing Hannah's house, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!